Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I have 3 new colors of dip powder from Double Dip Nails. So these 3 colors that I got today are Headbangers, which is a pretty lavenderish type purple. And then I got Bodacious, which is like a sheer white, and then Mall Chick, which is like a blue. Now, what I already off top loved as soon as I open these is they're glow powders. So y'all already know, I don't know, that's so childish of me, but I love it. But because these are glow powders, they are very sheer. So if you want to save yourself some time, go ahead and put like a white underneath or like a light color. But I didn't do that because I really wanted the sheer look. I wanted like that sheer unicorn. I don't know, y'all. Y'all know I'm random. But anyways, guys, I really was so hyped because I just feel like these 3 colors was gonna look so good. So yeah, y'all, just keep watching me work. Keep watching me work. So I was determined to try something new with my dip powder. So today I was like, okay, let me try this angle ombre. Yeah, it didn't really work because I didn't know what I was doing. So instead, I decided to try something a little bit different, which you'll see a little bit further on in the video. Also, a new tip that I have been, or new trick that I've been doing is I've been taking my brush and going the opposite direction of what you normally polish, because I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I get those little holes on the side that I miss and I don't ever see it until I'm done. So now I've started kind of polishing backwards, and I noticed I had a lot less of that this time. Now, I didn't use a ton of the base to do this because, as y'all know, that makes it more clumpy, but I did just make sure I went down and then I went up, especially around the sides, to make sure I didn't have any gaps. And then right here I came through. I was trying to do like a unicorn design, but honestly that brush is not ideal for trying to do this. I probably should have just used a smaller, more detailed brush to do this. And then I think it would have came out, a little bit more neater and just prettier. But after I dipped it in purple, I came in, did this little design, and then I dipped it with the blue color. And in the end, it did come out pretty, but my favorite nail is the thumb. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I did that thumb, because my thumb came out absolutely perfect. All right, so with the thumb, I just did the swirl twice and then I dipped it in purple. And then after, it dried, I came in and did the entire nail with the blue, 2 coats of that. And it just gave it more of a, I don't know, like a marbled look. I don't know, I just really like that nail for some reason. At the end, you'll see it. It just was my favorite. But now let me talk about the pros of this glow dip powder. Now, I love glow, but my problem I always have with glow is it never actually glows. So I was very impressed with this powder because I went outside with my kids and we were playing. We came in the house, which, had my lights on, and my nails were glowing in the light. So I was like, okay, if they're glowing that good in the light, I know they're gonna glow amazingly in the dark. So stay tuned to the end so you can see what it looked like. But overall, I'm extremely impressed. I definitely will be looking online and seeing what other colors I can get, because this is one of my favorites, hands down. But if you really like my nails, you really like all this that I did, you can use my promo code. I will put it in the description box. But if not, it is Mila B. And yes, do y'all see that? Y'all see that? I know you do. But anyways, if you stay to the end, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Mila B out.